everyone, welcome to the channel. This is GCSE Maths Exam Sprint series. This is about forming and solving equations. It's an important question. Not too difficult, but it's a good question. So please pause the video and try this question yourself. When you want to check the answer, press play. Two identical jars, jar X and Y. Okay, here's jar X, here's jar Y. Each start with the same amount of water. Now let's say this volume of water is V and this is the same. Then 90 milliliters of water is poured from jar X to Y. Oh, so you transfer 90 milliliters to this one. So what happens now? The water level on jar Y will go up and the water level on jar X will go down. Now, the new volume here is V take away 90 because you lost 90 from this. The other one gains 90. So that's that. We add 90. Jar Y now contains 4 times as much water as jar X. Oh, okay. So jar X has V minus 90. If you times it by 4, that is equal to what you have in jar Y. So read it very carefully again. Jar Y now contains 4 times as much as water as jar X. So jar X is V minus 90 times 4 is equal to that. How much water is now in jar X? Okay, let's work this out. 4 times V is 4V. Take away 4 times negative 90 is negative 360 is equal to we add 90. So obviously move the V to this side, move the 360 to the other side. So I have 4V take away V is equal to this negative becomes positive 360 add 90. So I get 3V here is equal to 450. Divide by 3, divide by 3. Obviously these two gets cancelled out. So I know the value of V is 150 milliliters. Now be very careful. The question is not that. The question is how much water is now in jar X? Oh, so in jar X, it started with 150, but now we have 90 less. So the final answer is in this one we have now 150 take away 90. And the answer is 60 ml.